Greetings coder. Welcome to my YouTube channel Lython. In this video we will learn about Python list built-in methods. Python have various built-in list methods. You can just apply a list method after the list or list variable separated by dot. Some of the list methods takes parameter while others don't. Append method. Append method is one of the most useful method in Python list. It adds an element at the end of the list. The element can be of any data type or any iterable. Extend method. Extend methods adds each element of any iterable separately to the list one by one. The iterable can be tuple, list, set, or a string. The insert methods adds an element at a specified index. Remove method. The remove method removes an element passed as a parameter from the list at its first occurrence. The pop method removes an element at given index. If index is not specified, then it removes the last element by default. Reverse method. The reverse method reverses the order of the list. Copy method. The copy method returns the shallow copy of the list. Clear method. Clear method removes all the elements from the list. The next is count method. It returns the count of element present in the list. Index method. Index method returns the index, or you can say location, of an element. It returns the index of first occurrence of the element. You can also specify the range in which the element's index to be found. Sort method. Sort method is useful in sorting a list in ascending or descending order. By default, the list is sorted in ascending order. You can also specify a reverse parameter to true so that the list can be sorted in descending order. Thank you for watching. Hope you liked the video. Share the videos to your friends. If you like my content, don't forget to subscribe my channel.